Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new one topic, conquest of Bengal. Student, as you know that Ali Wadi Khan Nawab of Bengal was a able administrator and always opposed the European merchants. Always want to European merchants under his own control. But after his death, Sirajuddaulah became the Nawab and British started extended the fortification of Calcutta. Now Calcutta is known as Kolkata. Okay, their Bengali name they have given to Calcutta. And Sirajuddaulah troops took over Calcutta. Sirajuddaulah troops took over Calcutta. On that time, Robert Clive was at Madras and he sent 1200 spy, trained the 1200 spy, armed and trained in the European style of warfare, and recaptured Calcutta again. Okay, and first battle of Plassey, which gave great advantages to the British to enter in India. This one is the gate for Britisher to enter in India. And force, it was fought between Sirajuddaulah and British army between Calcutta and Murshidabad. Okay, both are lying in West Bengal. Both area lying in West Bengal. And Mir Jafar was the uncle of Sirajuddaulah. He also want to become has a desire to become the Nawab of Bengal, and he bribed Indian soldiers to throw away their weapon. He take the when Sirajuddaulah fought the battle with the Britisher on that time, he has not give any support to Sirajuddaulah because he want to become the Nawab of Bengal, and British consolidate their position, and Clive easily won the battle, because if there is a divide and if there is not unity among the rulers on that time, always they take the advantages of that. And Bengal, Mir Jafar, the Nawab of Bengal. Or what was the result of the Battle of Plassey? Because Britisher consolidate their position. These are the result of Battle of Plassey. Bengal, by making Mir Jafar the Nawab of Bengal, gifted 1 point you take from here. Bengal, by making Mir Jafar and Nawab of Bengal, he gifted large sum of money and 24 parganas to the Britisher. And but Mir Jafar could not always want to take the advantages of that, and Mir Jafar denied to give that, and he could not fulfill the consent demands of the day by day. The demands of the Britisher increased, and Mir Jafar could not fulfill the demands. So they installed his son-in-law, and Britishers removed Mir Jafar from there and installed the Nawab, his son-in-law Mir Qasim, Nawab of Bengal. He granted equal trade facility to the Britisher and Indian merchant. He also said to the Britisher that equal trade facility I have given to you and Indian merchant. And this one is not accepted by the Britisher, and they attacked on him. And Mir Qasim took refuge at where he ran away at Awadh with Sirajuddaulah. Mughal Emperor Shah Alam was also taking refuge where Shah Alam was the emperor of your Delhi, India. On that time, he also take refuge at Sirajuddaulah. Okay. And tomorrow we will read about Battle of Buxar. Okay, thank you.